Let us solve this 11th question from the chapter Applications of Trigonometry. The question goes like this. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. Alright, there is a TV tower. It is standing on the bank of a canal, that is also clear. From a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. Okay, so this is fine. From another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Okay, fine. Find height of the tower and width of the canal, and they have given C figure 9.12. I have drawn the diagram also. I have copied this. Okay, so what is this? This is a tower. Okay, so whatever is here, so this is the tower. All right, and this is one bank, whatever is there on one bank of the canal, this tower is there. From another bank, here is the point, from a point on another bank, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. That's what they have mentioned, no? So this angle is how much is this? This is 60 degree. All right, so this is the width of the canal. All right, so this BC is there, no? So this is the canal width. Okay, canal width, and we can consider this to be x. All right, fine. Then afterwards, what they are mentioning, they have mentioned like from another point 20 meter away from this point. Okay, 20 meter away, here is a point. Okay, so this point D, so here is one point at a 20 meter away on the line joining this point to foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of top of the tower is 30 degree. This angle, whatever this angle is there, no, so this angle is like 30 degree they have mentioned. All right, so that is written in the diagram also. Now what they are asking us to find height of the tower. Height of the tower is this one, this AB. This AB is the height of the tower. This is what they are asking, and they are asking for a width of the canal. Width of the canal is a BC. Okay, so what is this AB? AB is equal to height of the tower. AB is the height of the tower, and that is equal to h, and that's what they are asking. And how about this BC? So this BC is a width of the canal, and we have taken it as x, and that is equal to question mark. Right, dear children, I told you the first and foremost thing in this chapter is read the question thoroughly. Carefully you have to read the question. Carefully read the question. This is a lengthy question, no, but there is nothing in it. Okay, very simple it is. Carefully read the question, then diagram. Okay, even though diagram in this question the diagram is given, even though diagram is not given, you are supposed to draw this. Then afterwards apply trigonometric ratio, appropriate trigonometric ratio you are supposed to apply. All right, so now as we got to know, let me explain the problem one more time. Here is the tower. All right, so here we have got this tower. This is the tower AB on one bank of the canal. This is another point on another bank of the canal. So this angle of elevation is 60 degree. This is width of the canal, and from a point at a distance of 20 meter from this point, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Now they are asking this height of the tower AB and width of the canal BC. Okay, let us try to apply some of the ratios here. Now in triangle, can you observe this triangle ABC? If you observe this triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, what happens in triangle ABC? If you apply tan 60 degree, okay, tan 60 degree is equal to, height of the tower is h, right? So it becomes what? H divided by x. Correct, no? So tan 60 means what is this? This is root 3. Root 3 is equal to h divided by x, and the value of h becomes what? H is equal to root 3 into x. So let me call it as equation number 1. Correct, no? So h is a common thing here. So h, I will just keep it here. X I am bringing this side, so that is root 3 into x. All right. Now coming to another triangle. In triangle, what is a big triangle here? This triangle ADB. EDB, in triangle EDB, if we apply tan 30 degree, so tan 30 degree is equal to what it becomes? It becomes opposite is h, right? So h divided by, what is the adjacent? Adjacent is like 20 and another x, 20 plus x, right? So it becomes 20 plus x. All right, so tan 30 is 1 by root 3 1 by root 3 is equal to h divided by 20 plus x. I'll keep h there only and bring 20 plus x this side. So it becomes h is equal to 20 plus x divided by root 3, and let me call it as equation number 2. All right. So LHS of equation number 1 is equal to LHS of equation number 2. So therefore we are going to have RHS of equation number 1 is equal to RHS of equation number 2. All right. So what is RHS of equation number 1? So that is root 3x is equal to RHS of equation number 2 is 20 plus x divided by root 3. You can observe here. So this is RHS of 1. I have written that. This is RHS of 2. I have written here. I have used the common thing h here, no? So I have used that. Okay. I derived the equation for that h and I used them. All right. So now I am going to have it as let me bring this root 3 this side. Root 3x into root 3 is equal to 20 plus x. All right. Root 3x into root 3 is 3x. 3x is equal to 20 plus x. So let me bring that x this side. 3x minus x is equal to 20. So that becomes 2x. 2x is equal to 20. 2 ones are 2 tens are. All right. So x is equal to 10 meter. So that is the width of the canal, no? So I'll write therefore width of the canal is equal to x is equal to 10 meter. All right. Now we want height, right? Height of what? Height of the tower or the TV tower. Okay. Height of the tower is equal to h. What is the formula for h? Look at this. This is root 3x. All right. So let me write it as root 3x. Okay. So root 3 into x is 10. So that becomes 10 root 3 meter. So this is the height of the tower. All right. Try to analyze the question as it is given. Okay. And these 3 steps are very, very important. I have made a video on that also, and how to solve the questions on this applications of trigonometry. That video is also there. That link of that video is given in the description. You can refer back to that also. Thank you very much. Have a good day and bye bye.